Hey guys, how are y'all today? Just thought I would give you a little bit of advice on CPAP supplies. We get constant questions with that. If someone comes in is in need of new tubing and supplies, we have tubing of all the different styles. Standard CPAP tubing, some slim line, also the heated hose for the different machines. One common question we get is, I get home and my hose won't fit. You sold me the wrong hose. So here is what the most common thing is. Inside the hose, a lot of masks have a quick disconnect. So if you see the white inside there of the gray rubber, that little part actually is a piece of the mask that snaps on. So the idea, when you go to change your hose, it should be flexible on the end. If it's not flexible, when you go to hook that to the new mask, there's probably a little piece of plastic from the mask that would be inside the hose, and that tends to stay in there if you change mask. So just a little tip, if you do that and go home, there could be, and it's different styles of masks, little plastic connector, it's called a quick disconnect, that could be lodged inside the hose from a previous mask. So when you go to change that, make sure that you've got a flexible hose that's going to attach to the end of your mask. Hope that's some good advice for you.